Okay, today we're going to be making paper lanterns. So I thought of this project and got all the supplies. It's over here. And yeah, so you're just going to take a jar, a piece of paper, like color on the piece of paper, then glue it to the jar, add a candle, and yeah. Then we're going to like release them over by the lake, but make sure to catch it, because just kind of leaving them there, that's not eco-friendly, and we're all about the eco-friendly here. Am I right? Right. But yeah, let's get started. Just go over there and do all your crafts. Okay. This is going to be so much exciting. Yes! Miss, can I go use the bathroom? Sure. Are you alright? No. Okay, you can just sit this one out. Thank you. The glue is so sticky. Ew. What is... the glue is all over me. You alright? No, the glue is all over me. Ew. Okay, I'll get you cleaned up. Thank you. Okay, just add some glue. Yeah. Okay, and there. And there. And there. And done. Yeah. Now I'll just glue it. There we go. And there. Now I have a... Miss, I'm finished. Great, then. Okay. Well, you can just sit down now. Now we just have to add the candle. Like that. And there we go. Now it looks good. Pretty. Miss, I'm done. Okay, you can just sit down. Okay. I'm just going to focus on the drawing. There we go. This is so hard. And, I hate this camp. Now I'm going to have to use the glue. Whoa! That's hard to use. Ew, so gross. Ugh, there's glue all over me. But at least I glued it this time. I'll wash myself off. Miss, the glue is just really sticky. Can you help? Okay. Miss, I actually glued it this time. Okay. Yank, yank, yank. Yank, yank, yank. Yank, yank, yank. And... yank. Yay. Yay. There we go. I'll just sit back down. Okay, I guess I'll just add the candle. There we go. It looks so cute. Finally, I'm done. My knee feels better. I think I'm gonna do the project now. Yeah. There we go. Now this part. There we go. Finally. Okay, is everyone done? I'm done. Me too. Yep. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this up. Okay, there we go. And everyone, it's getting dark. It's getting dark. So we're gonna do the thing soon. Let's just kinda chill. When it's not, then we're gonna gather by at the lake and send them off. Again, remember to grab them again, because we don't want it to fall in the water and hurt the fish. Okay, this is so exciting. Yeah, it is. letter that. Okay, it's now dark and we're all gonna do it. So excited. So excited. Okay, follow me. Now everyone release them. Grab each one. Okay, I'm just gonna get them out of the water. Here we go, here you go. Here we go, here you go. Here we go, and I'm really tired. I'm just gonna head to sleep early. You guys can stay up, just like an ant. Just kidding. Now guys, let's eat. Okay, getting late. Let's head to bed. I'm gonna get up and relax. Look at the water. Breathe. Huh? No, I'm gonna fall here for no absolute reason. Why did you just push me? There was a branch about to fall in here. I don't believe you. Ugh, I'm going back to bed. Why were you following me anyways? I wonder why you were up. Ugh, whatever. Let's just go back to bed. Huh. What's that? Is that? Oh my goodness! Is that? What the? What is going on? What are those? What? What? Just